House Deputy Speaker and Buhay Party List Representative Lito Atienza is retiring from politics. According to the veteran Politiko, he will no longer run for any elected position after his term at the House of Representatives ends in 2022. Atienza told the Bante Radio tabloidistas Balitaan at Kumustahan that he has devoted 25 years in politics. He first served as assemblyman before becoming the vice mayor of Manila. Later on, Atienza became city mayor of Manila. Atienza, however, said he is open to serve in other capacity, like being an advisor to the country's next president.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.